Last time நம்ம வந்து அந்த annotation family பண்ணிருந்தாரு இல்ல?
ஆமா.
ஓகே, அது ஜஸ்ட் செக் பண்ணிக்கீங்களா?
அது பண்ணி பார்த்தேன்.
ஓகே ஓகே. ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் ஐ வில் do one thing. We'll take some annotation tools. Okay. We'll see some these tools. Dimension and இதெல்லாமே annotation tools தான். Dimension, கொஞ்சம் detail, text இதெல்லாமே பார்த்துக்கலாம். ஓகேமா? லாஸ்ட் டே வந்து நம்ம வந்து இந்த டூல் we have taken this thing. Tag by category, tag all. ஓகே, இது ஓகே தானே அது?
ஓகே
ஓகே. நான் அப்புறம் இது எல்லாமே we'll try to do this. First one, align dimension, DI. இது தெரியும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Align dimension. If you want to make a dimension, say like finally we want to show some grid to grid dimension. Okay, we can take this continuously. Just pick the grids and you will get the dimension. Okay, single selection da. Okay, but you can move it in the padi move pannalam, no problem. Apram, say if you want to continue the dimension, okay, this single selection da. If you want to continue the same this dimension, continuous dimension, select the dimension and take this option, edit witness line. Okay, just pick the grid lines, and if you want to exit from the dimension tool, just pick a point from outside. Okay, idum single selection da. Okay, அப்புறம் இப்போ வந்து உனக்கு வந்து இந்த டைமென்ஷன் வேணாம், இது எக்ஸ்க்ளூட் பண்ணோம்னா, like if you want to change, just pick this point and keep it here. Okay, if you want to add, like this. If you want to remove, pick this. Fine, it will remove the dimension. Okay, wow. Okay, அதுதான் அலைன் டைமென்ஷன். அப்புறம் லீனியர் டைமென்ஷன். லீனியர்னா லீனியர் லைன்ஸ் மட்டும், ஐ மீன் மட்டும் வரும். ஓகே, அது ஆர்கிடெக்சர் தான் பெட்டர். ஓகே, ஐ திங்க் யூ கேன் யூஸ் ஓன்லி திஸ் டூல். ஓகே ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் ஜஸ்ட் லைக் லீனியர். ஓகே, லீனியர் லைன்ஸ். Okay, but try to use this dimension. Align dimension, you can use this tool for both aligned and linear objects.
Okay,
apram angular dimension. Okay, the angular dimension now, plus we have an object like this. If you want to take the angle, you can use this thing. Okay, from radius, diameter, idella just try this one. That's it. Okay, just pick பண்ணா போதும். ஓகேவா, diameter எல்லாமே. Okay, அப்புறம் sport dimension. The கொஞ்சம் we will take this after some time. Sport coordinate, sport slope. We'll do this while we are doing plumbing. I mean the drainage lines. Okay. அப்புறம் detail line. Detail line na ஒரு 2D line. Okay, if you want to show some detail or if you want to create some detail in this view, okay, you can use this one, detail line. That's a 2D line da. Adu indha view la mattum da you can save this da. Just take detail line. You can find this draw tool. You can whichever tools you needed. If you're taking rectangle, you can take rectangle. Okay, this is just a simple 2D line for reference or for creating a detail or something else.
Okay.
இப்போ நீங்க வந்து இப்போ I'll do one thing. I'll show a shop drawing. Say for example, ஒரு நிமிஷம். This is right. Either firefighting. This is a firefighting shop drawing. Okay, Revit நம்ம செஞ்ச ஒரு firefighting shop drawing தான். Okay. இதுதான் model annotate பண்றது. வெளியில you can find some typical details. Okay, these are all typical details.
Okay.
Okay. அப்ப இது எப்படி பண்ணோம்னா இதுக்காக இன்னொரு view create பண்ணணும். Okay, either you can find the AutoCAD files of these typical details. You can link the particular AutoCAD file to that view, and you can just drag into this sheet. Okay. Or else you can இது வந்து இதோட typical detail நமக்கு கிடையாது. Okay, you want to draw it. இது வந்து ஒரு 2D detail தான். Okay, this you will be drafting by using this tool, detail line.
Okay.
Okay. அதுக்காக ஒரு வியூ, இந்த வியூ கிடையாது, இன்னொரு வியூ கிரியேட் பண்ணோம். ஓகே, அதுக்கு டிராஃப்டிங் வியூன்னு சொல்லுவாரு, டிராஃப்டிங் வியூ. ஓகே, I'll just tell you how to do that. Go to view, there is an option called drafting view. Okay.
Okay.
Either you can use this drafting view, take drafting view, just provide the name like typical details for whatever x-axis. You can provide the scale like 1:50, 1:100, whatever. Just okay. Then there will be a new view will be created here. See, this is the view. Got it? Typical detail.
Okay.
இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா பாருங்க, இந்த 3D views எல்லாமே அல்லது 3D tools எல்லாமே ஹைட் பண்ணிட்டு. Okay, all the 3D tools are hidden. Only these tools will be activated. Okay. Detail line na நமக்கு என்ன வேணாலும் you can draw anything you need it, whatever you need it. Okay, you can do whatever you need it. Okay. Okay. Just like the other tools, you know how to use this modification tools. You know how to these tools. Okay. Anything. You want to create a hatch inside this object, inside this boundary. There is an option called fill region. Get me? Fill region. Boundary. We want to show the boundary. Okay. Either you can use this tool, pick line. We can show the boundary. And go to properties. Okay, idellame hatch, different hatches. If you want to create a new one, just take a new type, edit type, duplicate it, and just provide the name like hatch. See, I'm going to give diagonal. Aprom in the parameter foreground fill pattern, idu pick பண்ணுங்க. இதெல்லாமே டிஃபால்ட் ஹேச்சஸ் தான். ஓகே, எது வேணும்னா அது ஜஸ்ட் செலக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே, you want to give the foreground pattern color, you can change it. Okay, I'm not going to change it, just provide okay. That's one. Okay, you want to edit it, select the hatch. You want to edit it, you can edit it, no problem. You want to change the color, you can change the color also. Okay, no problem. Just I'm creating a detail line. You want to change the line type of this detail line. Just select the line. There's an option called line style here. Okay. Drop it. You can see the different line types here. Default line types are like center line, demolished, hidden line, overhead. Hidden line. Okay. If you want to take MEP hidden, you can use this one. Get me?
Okay.
If you want to use this center line, use the center line. Okay. Now, if you want to create a new line type, you want to create a new line type. These are basic line types are. The basic default line types. Okay. If you want to create a new line style, there is an option called. Give me a second. Yeah. Go to manage additional settings. There is line style option. Okay. This is just expand this one. These are the default line types right now. Like this thing. These are default line types.
Okay.
உனக்கு புதுவா ஒரு லைன் டைப் கிரியேட் பண்ணா just new, just give the name. Say I'm going to give like XL1, something like that. Just okay. You can find a new category. You can provide the line weight. Okay. The line weight என்னம்னா அது கொடுக்கலாம். Say I'm going to give line weight 2. இப்போ கலர் என்னன்னா I'm just changing the color. லைன் பேட்டர்ன். ஓகே. இதுல நிறைய லைன் பேட்டர்ன்ஸ் இருக்கு. எது வேணும்னா அது ஜஸ்ட் பிக் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே. ஜஸ்ட் ஓகே பண்ணுங்க. அப்புறம் டீடைல் லைன் டிஎல் தான் ஷார்ட் கீ. டீடைல் லைன் எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் பண்ணிடுச்சுன்னா நம்ம கிரியேட். திஸ் இஸ் த ஒன் வி ஹவ் கிரியேட்டட். ஜஸ்ட் okay.
Okay.
See, if you want to change the border line types, see this. Okay. One more thing. இப்போ ஆக்சுவலா வந்து நான் இந்த லைன் டைப் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிட்டேன். I have already changed this line type, but it is not visible in this view, right?
Yes.
See, I'm copying this line. So, but while copying, you can see this one is hidden line. Yes. But right now it is not hidden, right? This is because I'm just picking the hatch line, edit boundary. Actually, this is a line. We can change this into okay.
Okay.
Okay, and if you're not getting it, please do tell me. Okay.
Okay.
Actually, this is somewhat important detail line. Okay.
Okay.
The region okay. Okay. Fill region. Just provide the boundary. Take the needed hatch pattern. Right off. Okay. You can provide whatever color you need. Okay. This is fill region, and there is an option called masking region. Masking region now, say I'm giving a boundary, right? Hope you know what is masking, huh?
Yes.
Okay, there is if it is like this, and to back, இது அப்புறமா மாஸ்க் பண்ணிட்டார். I mean, it is going to the back side. Bring to front na like this.
Okay.
Okay. ஒரு நிமிஷம். Just 1 minute hold பண்ணுங்க.
Okay.
Okay. If it's okay, then the boundary edit. If you want to edit the boundary, just select the mask area, edit boundary. You can edit the boundaries. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Now text tool. Okay. Just pick text. There is a type name. Okay. This is the type name of the particular text. Text 20 mm area. Okay. Default கொஞ்சம் text types இருக்கு 3.5 5 mm text. இப்போ எது வேணும்னா அது பிக் பண்ணுங்க. Just pick it and provide the text. Just type the text. Right? Okay. Select பண்ணனும்னா இப்போ அது எல்லாமே AutoCAD மாதிரி. If you want to move it, you can move it. You can do rotate it, you can rotate it like an object. Okay. If you want to create the leaders or you can provide the readers, you can, while selecting the text, you can see this option, leader option. Okay, right leader, left leader. If you want to remove the leader, there is an option called remove last leader. So the last drawn leader will be removed from this particular text. Okay, if you want to provide an additional leader this side, right side, you can pick this option again. So you'll be getting 2 leaders. You want to get 3 leaders, 3. Okay. Right.
Okay.
Basically, it is a 2-point leader. You can change this like a 2-point leader system. Yeah. Also, I'm taking the text. There is an option from the beginning itself. You can create the leader type. We are using 1 segment. It will be like this. 2 segment, first segment, second segment. Like this. This is the curve type. Most probably we'll be using this leader, right? Okay. You can just copy paste the text or whatever you needed. So like if I want to copy this one, just selecting it, I can paste it. Oh, sorry, on the Foxit கொஞ்சம் பிரச்சனை இருக்கு. Hello?
சொல்லுங்க.
Just try it. Okay.
Okay.
You can control this box boundary, so the text will be gone like this. Same as AutoCAD texting.
Okay.
Okay. And you can you can use the alignment tools also. Let's try this. This is all simple. And there is an alignment tool for this one. Top, middle, bottom. Okay. If you're giving the left leader, you can use these options accordingly.
Okay.
Okay. Simple options. Okay. Now, always create or duplicate the necessary text. I mean, the standards you need. Like if I'm using Arial narrow or else Roman S, because due to the readability, you know that normally we'll be using the Roman T, Roman S, or Arial narrow for using while we creating the text and shop drawings or something. So just try to create a type, proper type, like this. Edit, duplicate it. See, I'm using 1:100. I'm using like 2 mm Roman T, right? Or Arial narrow. Just I'm giving a standard like TES. My company name 2 mm Arial narrow. Okay. we can, I think you know this thing. Last time we have just seen in this while we are creating the text families, I mean the annotation family, right? You can change the font from this option. You can change the text size, you can change the tab size. If you want to make bold, just pick this one, italic, underline, whatever. And you can make this as transparent. If you want to change the arrowheads, you can change this one. There are lots of arrowheads. Okay. Okay, make use of it as needed. Okay. I'll just show one example. Just I'm giving a leader. See, I'll do one thing. I'll just change the color. I want to, if I need to reduce the leader size of this arrow, this is arrow field 30 degree. Okay. Yes, I want to change this. It should 30 degree in the sense this will be 30 degree, right? This will be 30 degree. I just want to reduce the size of this leader. If I need to reduce the size of the leader, you should go to manage additional settings. There is an option called arrowhead here. Just pick this one. Okay. You can see the complete types of arrowheads here. Right now we are using this one, arrow field 30 degree. Just take this, duplicate it, just provide the name. There is an option called tick size here. Okay, so this is the size of the particular arrowhead. You can control this one. I'm going to change this one 3 to 1.5 mm. Okay,
Okay.
Just apply it and select it. Edit type. This is the older one. Just expand it. Now we can see the duplicate type. Just change to this one. Okay. So size will be changed. What is? The size will be changed. Okay. Okay. Let me ask you one thing. That I just want to change this leader size. So how can I change it? Can you please tell me? I want to change the leader size of this particular text. So how can I change it? Huh? சொல்லுங்களா கொஞ்சம். இதோட டெக்ஸ்ட் சைஸ், இதோட லீடர் சைஸ் கரெக்ட். டூப்ளிகேட் பண்ணுங்க, அவ்வளவுதான். Just duplicate it. Okay. Just duplicate it. I'm going to change to 2.5. Oh, no problem. Okay. What to duplicate? We want to duplicate the arrowheads. I want to make 2.5 mm. I'm going to change this one. Apply OK. Select it. Edit type. Duplicate this one. Just come. I'm giving a type name. That's it. Okay. Expand it. Change it. Okay. Right. Always duplicate it. Always duplicate it.
Okay.
Got me? Okay. And next thing. Okay. In the same way, I'm going to show you how to create some dimension types. Okay. While using this option, there are lots of internal options here. Like if you want to change the tick mark, if you want to change the line weight, if you want to change the text style, whatever. Okay. See, I have a. Okay. See, I'm going to dimension this one. DI. Just I'm going to provide a simple dimension. Okay. For example, just I need to change the text size of this dimension, and I want to, instead of this tick line, I want to see this leaders in this particular dimension. Okay, just select the dimension, always duplicate it, and provide a type name, provide a general type name, whatever. Actually, while we are doing BIM, every type name have some standards. Okay, standard in the sense, usually you will be following some standard to create the type name. For every types, you will be providing the code names, like either it will be your project name or it will be your client name, whatever. Okay, just provide a type name, and these are the parameters, or these are the corresponding parameters to change the. You'll see it one by one. We'll see it one by one. First, I want to change the text style of this particular dimension type. Scroll it, you can find the text area here. Okay, if you want to change the dimension, you can change the dimension here. Text offset in the sense, this distance, this is the text offset. Okay, this is the text offset. If you change this, I'm going to change like 0.3 mm. Okay, text font, if you want to change it, you can change from here. Arial narrow, background opaque, whatever. From unit format. Okay, இப்போ வந்து default use project standards இருக்கு. Use project standards na, I have shown it earlier. Manage, there's an option called project units. Okay, இதுல யூனிட் வந்து length common discipline common தான், lengthல வந்து mm கொடுத்திருக்கு இல்ல, mm யூனிட் சிம்பிள் நான் இப்படிதான் இருக்கு. அப்போ I'm just unit format, use project settings na millimeter. Okay, the same which I have shown it before. So I'm checking it. So it வந்து just a unit symbol mm காட்டணும்னா just mm கொடுக்குங்க. Okay. If you want to, if you need this, just try to. Yes, I'm just telling the tools. If you want to use it, just use it. Just I'm changing the text size to mm, 0.3, Arial narrow. I'm not going to change any unit format. Okay, and also if you want to provide some alternate units, you can show this one. Like if you want to show in fractional inches. So right. I'll show it below. Without conversion units, you can find it below the dimension. Okay, wow. Okay. And you want to show the point, decimal points, you can use this one. Like one decimal place now. Okay. Okay. Just try this. You can simple. You can show 2 decimal places. Okay. 821.1. Okay. If you want to hide this, or if you want to suppress this one, you can round off to 0 decimal places, no problem. Okay. If you want to change the tick size or a tick type, there is an option called what is that? Tick marker. See, right now it is diagonal 3 mm. This is the diagonal 3 mm. Change pannamna, just change it to this one. But yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And if you want to remove this line, the extension line, there is an See this one, dimension line extension. You can just provide 0. It will be gone.
Okay.
Yeah. So நான் சொல்லி கொடுத்தது இதுதான். If you want to change tick mark, அப்புறம் dimension extension. Okay. So flip line dimension extension.